Hey everybody, welcome back. The 2020 Griddle More Tour is officially booked, so it's good to go and you can sign up. Newbies, if you weren't around last year, the first 40 people to RSVP for each event get a special Blackstone gift. Totally different than last year's gift, by the way. So, very special. You don't need to RSVP to show up. You're still going to have food and fun, hanging out with me, having a good time. But if you want to get in and be one of the first 40 people to get the special gifts, and they are special this year, you're going to have to RSVP. So, Blackstone has created individual RSVP pages, and I went ahead and made a page on my website. So go out to my website, makeamericagriddleagain.com, and click on the tour link. So makeamericagriddleagain.com/tour, or just go out and click on tour on the home page. Let's run through the dates really quick because they are now confirmed. Friday, February 14th, Valentine's Day. That stinks. I'm going to be gone. Fresno, California. Saturday, February 15th, Fresno, California. Different store. Sunday, February 16th, Visalia, California. Friday, February 21st, Bakersfield, California. Saturday, February 22nd, Bakersfield, of course, a different store. And Sunday, February 23rd, another store in Bakersfield. Friday, February 28th, Granbury, Texas. Saturday, February 29th, because this is leap year, Cleburne, Texas. And Sunday, March 1st, in Stephenville, Texas. Friday, March 6th, Ardmore, Oklahoma. First time in Oklahoma. Saturday, March 7th, Ada, Oklahoma. And Sunday, March 8th in Durant, Oklahoma. If I might make a mistake as I'm doing this and say a 6 is a 7 or a 7 is a 6, I think you'll figure it out and just follow the link, go out to my website, and you'll figure it out. Friday, March 13th, Searcy, Arkansas. Saturday, March 14th, Cabot, Arkansas. Sunday, March 15th, Conway, Arkansas. Friday, March 20th, Fort Payne, Alabama. And Saturday, March 21st, Gadsden, Alabama. Really windy out here. I don't know if you can notice or not. You can hear my heater crackling. And Sunday, March 15th, Conway, Arkansas? No, I went back in time there. I messed things up. Boy. Friday, March 20th. We did that already. There we go. Saturday, March 21st. Gadsden, Alabama. Sunday, March 22nd. Boaz, Alabama. Teach me to do a little aside talking about the heater, huh? Throws me off my kill here. Friday, March 27th, Carrollton, Georgia. Saturday, March 28th, Bremen, Georgia. Sunday, March 29th, Douglas, Georgia. Friday, April 3rd, West Columbia, South Carolina. Saturday, April 4th, Lexington, South Carolina. Sunday, April 5th, Batesburg, South Carolina. April 17th, Friday, April 17th, Newport, Tennessee. Saturday, April 18th, Morristown, Tennessee. Sunday, April 19th, my birthday, by the way, in another store in Morristown, Tennessee. Friday, April 24th, London, Kentucky. Saturday, April 25th, Somerset, Kentucky. Sunday, April 26th, Corbin, Kentucky. Friday, May 1st, Greenwood, Indiana. Saturday, May the 2nd, Franklin, Indiana. And Sunday, May 3rd, I think it's Greencastle. My sheet is cut off here. So Greencastle, Indiana. Friday, May 15th, Midland, Michigan. Saturday, May 16th, in Bay City, Michigan. And Sunday, May 17th, in Cairo, Michigan. Friday, May 29th, Lima, Ohio. Saturday, May 30th, another store in Lyman, Ohio. And Sunday, May 31st, Sydney, Ohio. June 5th, Friday, Lewistown, Pennsylvania. June 6th, Saturday, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And Sunday, June 7th, Huntington, Pennsylvania. Friday, June 12th, Roanoke, Virginia. Saturday, June 13th, Fair Lawn, Virginia. Sunday, June 14th, Roanoke, Virginia. And I will also point out that, contrary to my previous video about a month ago, I will be at all these demos straight up to here. So Eric Mills, my buddy, the guy who was going to be helping us out this year, he is in the Army and he had to go on a special assignment, literally. He could not back out of it, as much fun as this was going to be. So I'm doing each and every one of those all the way up to here. Now we come to the last week. I will not be here, so I don't know who on earth is going to do these. Probably somebody from the Blackstone HQ. So Friday, June 26th, Cherryville, North Carolina. Griddler to be determined. Saturday, June 27th, Shelby, North Carolina. Griddler to be determined. Sunday, June 28th, Lincolnton, North Carolina. Griddler to be determined. So there you go, folks. I did it in 6.5 minutes. So, let's see, what else? What kind of questions have we been receiving lately? Oh, very, very flattered. Lots of people always telling me, hey, you should come out and go to Milwaukee or come to our store in Bangor, Maine. Folks, I do not own Blackstone. And so, obviously, whereas, I don't know. I have been working with Blackstone for a very long time. I don't own the company and I don't own Walmart. And so there are, I think, approximately 5,000 Walmarts in America. And we're going to about 50 here. So think about that, 50 Walmarts and there's about 5,000. So don't take offense to it if we don't come to your city. I can see that we are coming to 6 new states, I think, this year. 6 states that we've never been to before. So that's big in of itself. So that should be pretty darn exciting. Trying to think if there's anything else that's pending, anything I need to tell you. Questions, folks, comments, boy, they come like crazy. If it's an encouraging comment, I love it. But boy, the trolls and the deadbeats, boy, they've been coming out like crazy. So if you're crude and rude in that fashion, curse, say anything about cursing my God's name in vain, you're getting deleted off the account real quick. And then if it's just a dumb question, a lot of people just say mean things like, that was a stupid review about a dumb product. I'm probably not going to respond. I'll probably just let it sit there. So just know, social media, a blessing and a curse. A huge blessing, because obviously it led to me getting my dream job, but then a curse as well, because the problem with social media is it's social, and everybody thinks they have to say everything that's on their mind at every second. And boy, if I left a comment with every thought I ever had for every video I ever watched, that's all I'd be doing is commenting. So anyways, folks, I do appreciate the kind comments that I'm getting out there. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you on tour this year. So makeamericagriddleagain.com/tour. And until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord.